Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Afid Najmi bin Azri. I am from RCS 1104A. Today, I want to show you about my BMI application, which is BMI Calculator. If you look at the screen, you can see the height and the weight and the calculate your BMI button. So, when the users want to calculate their BMI, the user will put their height and their weight. After that, the user will will click the calculate your BMI button, and the application will calculate the user's BMI. So we move to our next session. So this is the block where is the command to run the program, to run the application. So if the user's BMI is less than 18.5, the background color of the BMI, it will turn to red, and the label will came out and said underweight. So if the user's BMI is more than or equal than 18.5 and less than 24.9, so the background color of the BMI will turn into green, and the label will come out. um, you are in the normal weight. So for the last one, if the user's BMI is more than or equal than 24.9, the background color of the BMI will turn into red, and the label will come out, you are overweight. So I will refresh copy the screen and run this program. It will take some time. So it will connecting to the AI to offline application, which is if we can use the application correctly. All right. So this is let's see. I put my height 170 cm, my weight 90 kilogram. So when I click the calculate your BMI button, it will come out. So it will come out that my BMI is overweight. If wait, if I put my weight is, for example, 70 kilogram, so I calculate my BMI. So the label will come out with the normal. My BMI is normal. And let's see if I put my weight, for example, 45 kilogram. So when I calculate my BMI button, so the background color of the BMI will turn into red, and the label will came out that said my BMI is underweight. So that's all for me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.